still, like, actually try to get in the driveway, Chief. Especially if you watched me turn. Whoa, okay. Fibs. Oh.
Hello.
I always forget this is two-way. I've never encountered
and they're
someone
taking up the middle of the fucking road.
I've never encountered someone coming the other way until today, and now I've encountered it twice.
Oh.
He's always waving and smiling. He was absolutely about to yell at that car, and they rolled up the window and drove away.
Oh, yeah. Scared him right off.
Me when I'm booking a hotel for my son. Oh, what are you doing? I know, well, no,
What's
then
up
you
with
get...
this car that's parked on the right? The guy's going to tell him to move. Hey,
Good.
you can't park there. Yeah, you better fucking run. Jeez.
This guy's always super nice when he's waving people through, too. He's like always the one waving through when I've come through. Call the Marriott. And it sure looks like I will.
I can't remember which one I rented last time, but I try and keep my belongings to a minimum. So last time I moved, I was able to fit everything into like one of those little 16-foot U-Haul trucks.
I mean, that's what I used too, and that was more than a... about to yell at that car, and they rolled up the window and drove away.
Oh, yeah. Scared him right off.
This is probably the worst spot when this is busy.
This is so busy right now. Yeah, that 5-mile-an-hour speed limit sign's there for a reason, that's for sure.
And casually blocking that whole entrance. A reason we're going...
run to?
One is running to the back, like to the camera on the back window, and the other one is running to the power, so underneath you.
Oh, so it's got
goes
this
through.
camera and a...
Huh? Yeah.
Oh, cool.
My old one did as well, but it didn't have the cabin facing one like this one does.
Yeah.
Y'all are riding like dumbasses, bro.